we're gonna make some color presets.
Why are color presets important?
So see how these lights, some of them are white and some of them are a little, what we call Furple,
Yeah.
where they're really ugly purple.
Yeah.
We want them all to match. So if I want all my lights to be white, I can't necessarily just turn them on and expect white to be white, because white is really purple for a lot of lights. I like the white on all the other lights. They match pretty well already. But these lights on the floor, I'm gonna go ahead and dial those in and make those look more similar to the other lights. I have a white chip in those lights, which is nice. I'm gonna turn that on because that's not on by default. And really most of the time you just need to bring a little bit of blue down, a little bit of red down.
Which one would you rather, visible or invisible?
Keep the green kind of up there. Pretty close. Now I could sit here and tweak this for hours, but we'll call it there. Now I'm gonna check all my lights. Let's grab these, let's grab these, let's grab these, let's grab these. All right, let's grab everything. We're gonna do a store. Color preset. Now I'm gonna name it white. Now, when I want all my lights to be white, I just hit that. And now they all match. And if I had a bunch more that were different, it'd be a lot more dramatic.
So you program based on presets instead of hard values.
Yes, that's the goal. So what I just did, where I spun the fixtures out like that, I would actually make that a position preset. Call that straight out.
You're like, I have the ability to go blind.
And what I'd really like to do is be able to hit all fixtures. Dimmer, you probably don't need to make a preset, but sometimes I like to, because I like to just go down the line, turn them on, straight out, make them white. And I have to build out some more presets, but zoom them in and out, and maybe add some effects and then build a look like that. Just really go down the line. Got some gobo and beam situations here to add those in. Need to add some focus, but that would be the goal, and kind of do that flow with all the fixtures or each individual fixture type, and then store your cues from there.